Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a mail from campaign in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our campaigns in Salesforce. So basically, just go to the app launcher, go to campaigns, and from there you will need to click, and after that we need to access to any campaign that we want. So either you can create a new one and start creating an email from it, or you can just access to anyone. So here I'm just going to this campaign. As you can see, we already have some campaign members and or our leads, and those are the opportunities, etc. So simply, all we need to do is to send the list email. So either you can do it from here and send list email. So you can send the email for all these campaigns. And from here, you will find the recipients, which would be all the customers from here. And this is the related campaign, which is the one we are in it. And now you will need just to add your content. So from here you will add hello or whatever, and you can start adding some variables if you'd like. So here you can start formatting, and in the review you can see how the mail would look like. And another way to do it, you can just simply go here and click on send list email, and it will take you to the same window. From there, as we said, you can add the subject. From here you can control the type of fonts, and here the size of fonts, and those are just some styling like the bold, italic, underlined, etc. And of course you can have some alignment, and you can attach some link if you would like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.